Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to take a closer look at this Bugatti Bolide made by Bugatti at the 1/18 scale. Let's start in the front. We have the Michelin logo there. Also we have written on the front Spiritual Champagne Carbon. Sadly, not many parts of this model have carbon texture. We have the Bugatti logo there, and I think the only carbon texture part in the front. Also, on the hood we have some openings, so we can see the suspension and also the front assembly, which is pretty good. Next, on the side we have the wheels, which are a very interesting design. They are full with blue stripes and red center cap. Of course, the steering is functional. Next we have written Bugatti, and also we have the French flag. More sponsors here in the back. Also have the W16.4 written there, and the Bugatti logo there on the wing. Also we have Bugatti written underneath this massive wing, which looks pretty good. The contrast between the white and the blue. Also we have some details in blue as well. In the back we have this massive exhaust and this huge diffuser. I would have loved to have this on carbon fiber texture. Underneath the model, not many details. I think the real car has the same layout as the model. This model features only opening doors, so let's take a closer look at the interior. Firstly, you can see some carbon fiber texture here and on the this bucket seats. The interior looks pretty good. We have the steering wheel. Also we have the gauges, which is I think only a tablet, and also we have the center console. Let's open the passenger door as well. Again, the interior looks pretty good. We have the same color combination, that blue with gray interior. A lot more carbon fiber texture at the interior, as we have it on the center console as well. And also we have the seat belts, which I think are made out of rubber. Pretty interesting model in my opinion. Looks pretty decent. Also, don't forget to tell me in the comments what do you think about the model, and also don't forget to subscribe.